If you ever try to tell a story with AI, you'd know the frustration. You type a prompt, you get a character, you type the same prompt again, and you get a completely different character. In storytelling, consistency is key to executing a compelling story. If a character changes in every shot, you lose the audience. It stops being a film and becomes just a collection of images. Hi, I'm Anne. My background is in architecture and traditional animation. And today I run Aescaworld, an educational platform designed to bridge the gap between traditional craft and AI filmmaking. Most courses teach you how to hit the generate button and hope for the best. In this course, I'm going to teach you a hybrid workflow that combines traditional design principles with the power of generative AI. We're going to think like architects to ensure our characters are production ready. Here is the exact roadmap we are going to follow. In section 1, the blueprint, we'll architect your character's personality using mind maps and mood boards, focusing on the fundamentals of shape, language, and silhouette before we even touch a prompt. In section 2, the structural framework, we'll give our sketches depth. I'll show you how to use meshyai for a 3D blockout to lock in spatial proportions. This is an optional stage, but it gives you a massive advantage in understanding volume. Then we enter the hybrid construction phase, using Midjourney and the Frankenstein method in Affinity to slice, collage, and assemble the master design. In section 3, the master sheets, we will use Nano Banana to test our design. We'll generate a library of facial expressions and build a professional character turnaround to ensure your character looks the same from every angle. In section 4, the stress testing, we put the design in motion. We'll use video models like Kling 3.0 to audit our work and verify that our character holds up in a real cinematic scene. This isn't about burning credits until you get lucky. This is about thinking slow and acting fast. By the end of this module, you won't just have a pretty picture, you have a production-ready character asset that is ready for the screen. And you don't have to do this alone. If you need any help along the way, jump into the community tab here on Whop to get feedback from me and your fellow creators. Stop leaving your stories to chance, let's start building them. I'll see you in the first lesson.